Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Because of my exam, I could not make video for last 25 days. My last video was very well, that's why most of the viewers of my channel have requested to make another video like the last video. So today I'm gonna make the video. In this video, I will design different logo by using same letters. I think this video also helpful to all. So friends, make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information that you find in this tutorial. So, let's start the video. First take line segment tool, and draw a line. Copy the line by hold Alt. Take 16 lines by hold Ctrl, and pressing D. Now select all lines, and make it a line center, and group it. Now take polygon tool, and draw a triangle. Now select lines, and go transform, and rotate the lines equal to triangle line. Okay, that's good. Now copy it another. For that, click right button of mouse and select transform, again select reflect and copy it. Now copy the lines, and go transform, and rotate it 0 degree. Now remove the triangle. Now select everything. And take Shape Builder tool, and draw VE letters over the lines. First I try to draw a letter. Draw it very carefully. Now move the design above from the lines. For that, you need to ungroup all, and then I'll select the design, and move it. Now delete the lines. Okay, that's good. Now select the design and group it. Increase the stroke color. Now go Object, and expand it. Now select Pathfinder, and unite it. Now we design the same letters in Polygon, so keep watching. So first take line segment tool, and draw a line. Copy the by hold Alt. Take only 10 lines by hold Ctrl and pressing D. Now take polygon tool and draw a polygon. Select the lines, and go transform and rotate it equal to the polygon line. Now copy this another by following this method. Okay, that's good. Now select this lines, and copy it. Now go transform, and rotate it 0 degree. Now delete the polygon. Now select everything, and take Shape Builder tool, and draw your letter. Do it carefully, otherwise you can make a mistake. Okay, that's good. Now move the design from the lines. For that, first ungroup all, then select the design and move it from the lines. Okay, that's good. Now select the design, and group it. Now increase the stroke color. Now go Object, and make it expand. Now unite it by selecting Pathfinder. Okay, that's good. Now we design the same letters in another shape. So first take a line, and draw a line. Copy the line by hold Alt. Take only 8 lines by hold Ctrl, and pressing D. Now select the lines, and make it middle align center, and group it. Also copy the lines by following this method. Now rotate it. Again copy the lines, and rotate it like that. Now select everything, and take Shape Builder tool. Now draw the letters over here. I first draw a letter. Do it very carefully. Okay, that's good. Now move the design form the lines. Also group the design. Now increase the stroke color of this design. Now go Object, and select Expand. Make it united. Okay, that's good. Now we are going to design the last logo. So first take Ellipse tool, and draw a circle. Give it stroke color only. Draw another small circle. Now select the 2 circle. Now go Object, and select the blend, and click Make. Now select the Blend tool. Now selected specified shape, and at 4. Okay, that's good. Now go Object, and make it expand. Now ungroup it, and make it middle align center. Also group it. Now copy the circles by hold Alt, and place here like that. Now select everything, and make it group. Again copy the all circles by hold Alt, and place the circle little up or from this like that. Now select everything, and make middle align center. Selected all circles, and take Shape Builder tool, and letters over here. I first draw V letters over here. Do it carefully. Okay, that's good. Now move the design from the circles. Okay, that's good. Now increase the stroke color of this design. Select the design, and go Object, and make Expand. Now make it united. See that? Here's an extra part in the design. This is because of my mistake. That's why I always suggest everyone, always carefully design a design. By the way, I remove this part now. So friends, here's our 4 logo in different shape. Which logo do you like most? Don't forget to comment. So thank you for your attention. I hope I helped with this video. So don't forget to comment with valuable information that you find it. Push the like button and subscribe my channel if you didn't yet. See you in another video.